Hello, my dear friends. What's up? I hope you are in good state. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Sunflower MS Institute. I'm Harrison. In this video, I am going to solve a numerical which is already came in 2013. This numerical is very important. For doing this numerical, at first we have a need to progress some concept by which you can solve this numerical easily. So, my dear friends, you know and everybody knows it that under root over also we can write as x 1 by 2 power. Okay, when you derived this, then we get as a answer 1 by 2 under root over x, but we have need to know conceptually that how we get this answer. Yes or no? I am here only for you, for give you some concept. Without concept I can't teach. Okay, but you have need to promise to me is that you have need to attention, and this is very important. Okay, let y is equal to what? X. The derivatives of y we can write dy by dx. Yes or no? So 1 by 2 also we can write dy by dx. Power will comes in front of function 1 by 2, and 1 will subtract from the power. Don't worry, let's say x and here power n. When you derivatives this symbol and this is similar. Okay, so my dear friends, this power will comes in front of this function and 1 will subtract from n. This is formula which you have need to keep on your mind or in your mind. Okay, so 1 by 2, and when you subtract from half from 1, then we get x minus 1 by 2. Yes or no? 1 by 2 x minus 1 by 2 is a power. Okay, so 1 by 2, when we this is multiple with 1, not 2, not with 2. Okay, when this term comes in denominator, then the minus will removed. 1 by 2 x 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 as a power 1 by 2 half, then we can write under root over x. Yes or no? And this is similar this. Okay, so my dear friends, you have not need to be feel any jealous, because I am shooting video by holding mobile with hand. However, I want to give you concept so that you can acquire the good marks in your board examination. But you have need to do numerical in proper way by taking attention. So my dear friends, please subscribe me so that I can upload the further video for your good future. Yes or no? So my dear friends, this is the concept which is I am going to apply. You have need to understood. Let y is equal to under root over 10 and under root over x. This is angle. Okay, to doing this numerical, another thing you have need to remember is that when we derived any function, we have need to memorize a thing at first power. Okay, we have need to derivative of power, and then we have need to approach to function, and then angle, and that's it. This is crucial. Please keep in your mind. So y is equal to 10 under root over x. The derivatives of y dy by dx. Derivatives of y, it means derivatives of under root over 10 of what? Root over x. Y and under root over 10 under root over x similar. So derivatives of y, this is an equal. We already study that root over also we can write half, yes or no, and this root over root over split from here to there, means it is under of here root over x also involved here, so that's why we can write 1 by 2 also. Dy by dx is equal to, we already studied that this is power. This power will comes in front of this function and the 1 will subtract from this power. So power will comes in front of this function 10 and 1 will subtract from the power, and this is angle we have need to write as it is, not need to be chance. 1 by 2, this is the concept of power which here I applied. And then function, the derivatives of function, the derivatives of function 10 is sec square x. This is angle also. The derivatives of 10, is what? The derivatives of 10 is equal to sec square x. You have need to remember. Okay. And then angle is what? Under root over x. So dy by dx. Dy by dx 1 by 2 10. When you subtract half from 1, then we get minus 1 by 2 half, and this is angle as it is. And sec square under root over x as it is. The derivatives of under root over x we already studied, 1 by 2 x, yes or no? So my dear friends, this 10 is situated in numerator, not denominator. Okay, means 10 inverse 1 by 2 under root over x power 1 by 2 is multiple with 1, not 2, not with 2. Okay, so my dear friends, you know that let's say you have a value a minus 1 by 2, when you convert in denominator, then minus will remove. Okay, and you can write half as under root over a. Okay, you have need to keep on in mind. So 1 by 2 here as it is, and minus 1 by 2 when we convert in denominator, then minus will subtract, means 10 1 by 2, and angle what we have need to write as it is. Okay, as it is, and sec also as it is, 1 by 2 x. So my dear friends, equal dy by dx 1 by 2 half. Half means we can write root over. Okay, you can see. So under root over 10, and here you can see under root over x have power 1 by 2. Also you can write what under the root over. Okay, you have need to attention, please. I am teaching you in slowly, in simplest way, so that you can understand easily, and that's it. So into sec square x as a angle under root over x. Okay, so 1 by 2 under root over x. Dy by dx, you can see this 2 and this 2 is in multiple, so we can write 1 by 4. Okay, under root over 10 x. Okay, and sec square x, and here root over x is present. So this root over x we can write here. This sec square x multiple with 1, not 4 under root over 10 angle root over x. Okay, so we can write sec square under root over x, and in denominator 4 into root over x, and under root over 10x, and this is your final answer. This is the required answer of you. Please my dear friends, you have need to subscribe me so that I can upload the further videos for your better understanding, for your good results. Thank you.